This video serves the purpose of showing you how to create a student digital notebook using Google Slides. The first step is to start with your teaching slides. These slides are going to serve as your master copy that controls all other linked copies of your student slides to enable your students to be able to take notes. The first step I recommend is to rename your slides to teacher copy or teacher template, whichever you prefer. This is going to allow you to remember which one of the copies is controlling all of the other student copies of your notebook. The next step is to open up a new presentation. You can do this by typing slides.new in your Google browser or selecting File, New, Presentation. Now I want to copy the same exact title that I have for my teacher copy over to my student copy, with the exception of changing the name teacher to student. This is the presentation that you will eventually link in Canvas to distribute to your students. Now that you've made a copy, a student copy of your notes, we are going to copy the content over. So from your teacher copy, we're going to select the first slide, scroll to the bottom, select Shift on our keyboard, and click the last slide. This is going to select all your slides. You can also do this by using the Control-A buttons on your keyboard. Now we're going to copy the slides. So you can right-click, select Copy, or use Control-C on your keyboard. Next, we go back to the student copy of the slides, select the first slide, and paste the slides from the teacher copy into the new presentation. You will notice on the right-hand side that there is a screen that says Import Slides. We're going to select the last option, Link and Keep Original Styles. This action links your teacher copy to your student copy. So anytime you make changes in your teacher copy, your student copy is going to populate an update button for the particular slide that you changed so the students can update their information. If you scroll to the top of your student copy, you'll notice that there's still one blank slide. We're going to click that slide and you can delete it. So you can use the delete button or right-click delete. This will allow you to stay on the same page as your students. Just like when you are in the classroom, if they had a physical notebook in front of them, typically you organize your notebooks with the same page numbers. On page 3, we're going to have this type of notes. Now change to page 11. Let's review the notes that we had for this day. You want to do the same exact thing with your digital copy of your notes to keep your students organized. If they need to add additional information, it is my suggestion that you add those notes to the side of each slide. You can do that by selecting the text box option. You can create a text box off to the side, and your students can type their notes here. If you change the zoom, you'll be able to see more of the side, and that way they can format this how they would like.